Brian, oh, dude, what's going on? Beautiful day for a skate, right?
Right?
I know. Hey, we've got a fresh, brand new listing 3 blocks from Sloan's. You wanna go check it out?
Yeah, for sure. Why
Dude,
not?
let's roll. We made it. Let's check it out. Here we go. Check it out. Welcome. Right upon walking in, you have this great foyer with custom built-ins, ideal for storing anything you need or even using this as a flex workspace. All right, on the main level, you've got a coat closet plus a powder room, which is gonna be the bathroom for this main level here. It flows beautifully into this open floor plan and sleek modern lines in this kitchen. You've got quartz countertops and stainless Bosch appliances. From the kitchen, here you have your dining area, which flows nicely into this oversized living room with plenty of seating, as you can see. Plus, you have this amazing statement piece here with a gas fireplace, your TV, of course, and these built-ins make storage and displaying your books really convenient. Follow me upstairs. We've got a couple of great bedrooms to share. Having laundry on the same level as the bedrooms is always a bonus, fewer stairs to be climbing for that, and we're gonna be saving the rooftop deck for last. And just wait till you step into this amazing primary. Last but certainly not least, we have an amazing rooftop that you've gotta see. We got this great rooftop here, mountain views behind you, city views behind me. Not to mention, you've got Bronco Stadium, perfect view, fireworks are fabulous on game days. So here's something else you gotta know. This place has no HOA. And I know the HOAs can be a major pain point for buyers trying to get into the market. No HOA here, eating into your affordability. Major win here. If Sloan's Lake Living has been on your radar, this isn't one you wanna miss. I'm Jason Soroy with Forum at Compass Denver. Give me a shout. I'd love to tell you more.